In the past, we listened to photographs. They heard our voices speak. Alive, active. What had been distance was memory. Dust came, pushed us forward, emptying the laboratory, each night undisturbed by erasure. In the city of X, they lived together, always morose. Her lips soothed him. The piano was arranged in the old manner, light entered the window, street lamps at the single tree. Emotion evoked by a single light on a subject is not transferable to photographs of the improved city. The camera once commented freely amid rivering and lost gutters of treeless parks or avenue. The old camera refused to penetrate the unknown. Its heart was soft, unreliable. Now distributed is photography of new government building. We are forbidden to observe despair silent in old photographs. Oh my gosh, I look so disgusting in that picture that I just posted. Oh, delete it, quick. Quick, delete it. Gross, I don't want anyone to see. Oh my god, I love that new picture that you just posted. I'm totally gonna share it. Like, you look so hot. I love the filter that you used. How did you even edit it? Like, oh my god. I think it might help me. I'm too tired to delete it now. You're so talented. Yeah, I know. Like, I can't believe you took that on your phone. How long did it take you to do that? Oh yeah, you should totally put a filter on.
2 seconds.
You look disgusting today.
Oh my god. You're a liar.
Oh wow. Oh, I like that new one that you just put up.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll give it a like.
Of course I'll comment.